Welcome! You are now a member of the PWSC community. This is our website, as you can see here, and the two most important links are going to be up here near the top right, the calendar and the directory. The calendar, of course, has a list of add drop dates, vacations, so on and so forth, so key things to know about as the semester progresses. And the directory is where you can find the names and phone numbers of everyone in our campus and their department. We are, of course, a member of the University of Alaska Anchorage, and here is their website with all kinds of fun stuff. And part of the larger University of Alaska system overall. You have an ID and a password. If you do not know what either of those are, you can visit the Easy Login Maintenance option for UA. And go ahead and choose option 1, 2, or 3. This will allow you to log into your account and then choose your own password. If you are unable to verify your information and prove who you are, you will have to call the UAA IT help desk. We also have UA Online, as you can see here. Now what UA Online does is if you log into it, this is how you find classes, it's how you register, add or drop courses. This is where you go to see your final grades. You do not get them in Blackboard. You get them here in UA Online. And of course we have our Blackboard, which is where all of our classes at University of Alaska are taught online. And last but not least, you have your University of Alaska webmail. This of course is a Google-based account. Once you log in with your University of Alaska username and password, once you do, it looks something like this. You have all of your messages over here, you have your navigation over on the left, and you have your profile up here on the top right. Next to your profile are a series of square dots. If you click on this icon, you can see that we have a Google Drive, Docs, Slides. If you go over to More, down here, we've got a YouTube channel, Maps, Hangouts. These are all unique to your University of Alaska account. One thing that happens often is people will be logged into their Alaska email, but also their other Gmail accounts as well, and they will get confused as to which one is which. So to check which account you are logged into, up here on the upper right, if I left click that, I have the option of adding an account or switching to other accounts I am logged into at the same time. You must use your Alaska email for all correspondence with your instructor.